Hello! I'm so happy to see you today. Do you know what this is? It's a mango! Can you say mango? Let's say it slowly. Mango. Yay! You did it! Yellow, juicy, sweet and nice. Mango is a summer delight. Now let's make something yummy with mango. We are going to make Mango Yogurt Delight. It's soft, sweet, and perfect for toddlers. Ingredients: 1 ripe mango, cut into small pieces. Grown-ups can help. A ½ cup plain yogurt. A tiny pinch of cardamom. Optional. Options: a ½ banana for extra creaminess. Okay, friends, let's make it together. First, we take the mango. Then, we add the yogurt. Mix, mix, mix. Can you mix with me? Mix, mix, mix. Stir it up. Stir it slow. Yummy yogurt, here we go. Now taste it. Delicious. Sweet mango and cool yogurt, just right for you. You made a recipe. High five, chef!